Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, I'll show you how to track HubSpot form using Google Tag Manager and send it as a GA4 event. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, I have already added a HubSpot form with my landing page. Okay. And additionally, I have connected my Google Tag Manager account with this landing page. Okay. And this is our GA4 property. So first of all, we need to add this HubSpot listener code to our custom HTML. Then we'll get an event. Then we are going to be setting up the necessary triggers, variables, and then we'll be creating the tags at the end. Okay, so let's get started. So let's create the custom HTML tag for the HubSpot listener. Okay, so I can name it like this: custom HTML HubSpot listener. Okay, you can name it as per your requirement. So from the tag configuration, I'm going to be choosing custom HTML. Then I'll copy the code from here. Okay, so if you need this code, I'll give this code in the description. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to paste the code over here. Then as the triggering, I will trigger it as all pages. Okay, perfect. Now let's preview it and see whether this listener code works for this form or not. Okay, perfect. So we're in the preview mode. So we need to provide our HubSpot page URL. This is already there. So I'm gonna hit connect. So you can see over here, tag assistant connected. Okay. Then let's submit this form. So you can see over here, there we don't have any form submission event, but whenever I submit the form, there should be an event called form submission. Okay, so let's see whether this event comes or not. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna provide my email name, first name and last name actually, then message as paste. Then I'm gonna submit this form. So thanks for submitting the form. So let's go to the tag assistant. So you can see over here, there is an event called form submission. So if I go to the data layer, then you can see the event name form submission. Then we have form ID. Okay, so you can pass this as a parameter. Then you have conversion ID, then form data. Inside form data, you have email, first name, last name. Okay, so you can send this for Google Ads enhanced conversion or data pixel event mesh quality score for increasing event mesh quality score. So in the later video, like whenever I will be recording a video for Google Ads conversion tracking for HubSpot form, then I'll show you how we can take this form field data and use for the enhanced conversion. Okay, perfect. So we have this event. Now we can create a custom trigger for form submission event. So let's do that. So let's go to the tag manager and go to the trigger section. Okay, so we are gonna be creating a custom trigger for HubSpot. I can name it HubSpot custom trigger. Okay, perfect. So the trigger configuration will be custom event, and the event name would be form submission. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna hit save. Then we can take this form ID as our event parameter value. So let's create a data layer variable for the form ID. So I'll be going to the variable section. Then I'm gonna be creating an user-defined variable. So I can name it as TLV, then form ID, then I'll be choosing variable configuration as data layer variable, and I'm going to paste this value over here. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to be creating the tag for the GA4 event. Okay, perfect. So the name would be GA4 event, HubSpot phone tracking. Okay, something like that. GA4 event, HubSpot phone tracking. So you can name it as per your requirements. So the tag configuration would be Google Analytics GA4 event. Okay, so as the measurement ID, we have already created the Google tag, GA4 Google tag. You can see over here. Okay, so you'll see the green signal Google tag found in this container. So in case if you don't know how to create this tag, so you need to go to the uh, property section, then data collection, actually data collection and modification, sorry, data stream section actually. Then you need to select your data stream, then you'll get this measurement ID. So you can make the Google tag using this. Okay, perfect. So I have already done that. That's why it is showing the green mark. So the event name would be HubSpot form submission. Okay, perfect. And as the event parameter, I'll be providing the value of form underscore ID. So we have already created the form ID variable, data layer variable, so DLV form ID. So for GA4, if you want to pass the enhanced conversion, so you can create this field like email, first name and last name. For the time being, I'll not be showing this. Okay, perfect. So as the triggering, I'll figure it as HubSpot custom trigger. Okay, perfect. Then I will hit save. Okay, so let's preview it. So let's close all the tabs. Let's preview it from space. Yep. Perfect. So you can see over here, the HubSpot form URL is already there. So I'm gonna hit connect. So if I go to the tag assistant, then you can see there is no tag called GA4 event HubSpot form tracking. So let's submit the form and see if the tag expires or not. Okay, so message as test, and I'll submit the form. Thanks for submitting the form. So let's go to the tag assistant. Now we can see over here, GA4 event HubSpot form tracking has fired one time. Okay, perfect. So let's go to the analytics debug mode. Okay, and see if we had an event or HubSpot form tracking or form submission or not. You can see over here HubSpot form submission, and you have the parameter form ID, and this is the form ID. Okay, so this is not a standard parameter. So this is actually a custom parameter. So we have to register this as custom dimension, so this form ID. So let's do that. So for registering this as custom dimension, what I need to do is I need to go to the custom definition section. Then you can see over here we have custom dimensions, custom metrics, calculated metrics. So we're going to be working with the custom dimensions because this is a dimension. So I'm going to click on create custom dimensions. So that dimension name would be form ID. Okay, and the scope would be event. And if you want, you can give the description like this HubSpot form ID, and the event parameter would be this one actually. So let's go to this section. No, actually not there. GA4 event. HubSpot form tracking. Okay. So you need to pass the exact thing from here. Okay, so let's copy it and paste it. So make sure you're pasting the same parameter name. So from _ID. So I'm gonna hit save. So you can see over here we have registered our custom dimension. Okay, perfect. So everything is working fine. Everything is working properly. Now you can submit your changes. Okay, so I'm gonna submit my changes with the name HubSpot tracking done or GA4. So I can copy this text and paste this as version description. Okay, then I'm gonna hit publish. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have understood how to set up conversion tracking for HubSpot using Google Tag Manager and send it as a GA4 event. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page, and additionally, if you need any Google Ads services, Meta Ads services, web analytics services, server-side tagging services, and Looker Studio reporting services, then you can contact us. We have provided our phone number. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us, mail us, or you can directly visit our website. Then you can share your details. Then we can work together. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.